will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on options. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to end of a incoming message. Click here in this sign. That like you see this sign show for us here. That's mean end of a incoming message. It's disabled with us now here like you say. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. So don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.